things you'll need for pairing are your device and your pairing code. You can find your pairing code in the Quick Start Guide that came with your Canvas, on the back of your control square, or on the back of your power supply. Before you begin, make sure that your Canvas is plugged in and that you're on a non-5G Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Nanoleaf app and tap on Devices or My Devices. Tap on the plus to add a device, then select Canvas. There are 3 ways to pair your device with your Canvas. You can scan the QR code, tap with NFC, or enter your pairing code manually. To use NFC Tap, make sure NFC is enabled on your device, and then tap your device to the bottom right corner of your control square. After a short moment, your device will be paired, and you can use all the features that the Nanoleaf app has to offer.